Vinaigrette is another name for this.
That's really big one, huh? How big they come?
That's almost adult, or what I would call mature size with
Okay.
scorpion, but they do get bigger. It's an insect, or sometimes I say an arachnid, or even when you look at it, it has 8 legs, well, 6 legs, antennas, and 2 pincers. So altogether, it actually has 10, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. And there is some really deep hole.
Yeah, some of these holes they live in during the day. Some of these holes belong to birds like jacamars and mutmots, and even some crabs. Now, I'll actually try to catch this thing, you know, Rina.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm not going to touch that though.
It's probably one of the reasons why I don't wear repellent, because you wouldn't want to have repellent on and handling these creatures, would you?
No.
It's not good for them.
Yep.
But he's so quick. Let's see.
Okay. I hope I'm not standing in a pajak soon.
No. He knows I'm here.
Yeah, gone. No, stubborn. Did there come a few more?
Look at those pincers open.
Uh-huh.
That is to say to me,
Be aware.
look at the antennas.
Don't get sting on it, drive home.
Don't worry. It'll be alright.
Mean no harm, cutie.
Oh, here we go.
Alright.
He's closer.
Uh-huh, I can see it.
Yeah.
It means business.
Look at these antennas.
Beautiful.
Sometimes they can be as long as from here to here in the big ones. So I would consider this to be a medium. It is a medium size with scorpion, because even the pincers, they're quite short.
Okay. But it's really alien looking.
Yeah.
Do you find this daytime at all?
Yeah, if you know where to look,
Okay.
you can actually find them.
Well, it's a privilege to see your favorite animal than the first thing in the tour.
Yeah, now that it's more relaxed now, you see. Even sometimes when I put him back, or her back, I don't know whether it's a male or a female, it seems like it doesn't want to go.
Okay. I'm just looking, there is a lot of like little balls on the stomach.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it's a female actually.
I think it looks like a female with a lot of eggs or something. Just what you two were telling about the crab.
Yeah.
Beautiful creature.
But I did handle her really
gently.
Gently. I didn't. Yeah.
Yeah, I can see you know what you're doing.
So let's see how she's gonna react going back. There we are. Doesn't want to go home, see?
You got a new pet?
I don't know enough about her to keep her in captivity.
Yeah, I think it's kind of cooler to come and see it here.
Yeah, she's much better at home. Come on, baby, go.
Maybe if you leave it a little bit lower.
Yeah, I think I'll try that.
Next to some leaves, so you get like leaf between your hands.
She'll go.
Okay.
Maybe she has You know, there's a bat called the fishing bulldog bat.
Mm-hmm.
It's a bat that catches fish at sea.
Okay.
Or even in rivers.
What, it dives in and catches the fish?
Yeah, it catches fish by echolocation.
Okay. Well, that's some echolocation. It can go like through air and water.
I guess it emits sounds. Oh, she likes me. I think she's getting ready to go. There she is.
All right.